Here we are on Estate Road number 1, having left the Pie White roundabout. We're approaching the new test centre, which is coming up on the right hand side where you see the green fence. The entrance is just before the green fence starts. Follow the arrow round to the left, keeping to the left side of the white line, which will then line you up with the traffic signs, keeping between the yellow lines. Now watch these speed bumps, they're terrible. Dead speed as you're going over. Just after the second speed bump you'll see a give way line. This is because lorries may still be coming out of the testing station on the right. The big sign up ahead saying caution, give way to vehicles from the right. So as long as you're slow enough, there's no need to stop, but obviously be prepared to stop if you see something else moving. It all swings round to the right. You'll see the right lane here labelled up for visitors and driving tests. So come round to the right hand side of the Armco barriers. Try and stay off the yellow paintwork. And the driving test bays are here on the right hand side. So if you're doing a bay park, you'll need to do a right reverse in, which of course you'll practice when you arrive for your test. As you drive out on your test, you've got a give way line at the end here. I suggest you stop, signal right, check your left blind spot because there is another lane coming around from that side. And then as you come to the exit, you'll be told to turn left or right. There you go, that's the entrance and the exit to the new driving test centre.